We are very pleased to have the opportunity to talk with you both about our bilateral relations and also about standing up for Israel in international forums. It's something that Macedonia has done, and we appreciate it and hope will continue to do. So for all these reasons, I want to welcome you in Jerusalem. Welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Gladys.
Thank you. Please.
Honorable representatives of the media, dear citizens of Israel and through our camera to Macedonia. We have the honor to meet the high representatives here in Israel. As you know, yesterday we visited the president of the country, but we have very good meeting with the business community. We saw the startups, the accelerators. We visit very important companies here in Israel, hoping that will help us for further cooperation, especially in the economic level. We define that with Israel we doesn't have open issues, open questions. We are really a friendly country, and we are very happy because we are here in Israel, hoping that our cooperation will be mainly in two levels. The first level, what Israel is a good example in the world place, that is cooperation for the security and for world peace, and hoping through organizations like NATO, what we intend to be a member of NATO, we will continue cooperating with Israel in that way, because the threat of the radicalism and extremism is really present here in this region against Israel, but also against my small country Macedonia and the whole region in the western part of the Balkan. We cooperate in the level of security, in the level of defense until now, and I know that we will increase this cooperation because it's interest of the both nations and both citizens. Hope that we will have a lot to learn from Israel for high tech, for the startups, to open jobs for our youth. That is one of the important things for any prime minister, I suppose, for any government, also for my government. We are new government, 3 months until now, and that is one of the first visit of mine, but I'm very happy.
Welcome. Because
I'm here with the delegation of the government in Israel. I want to confirm once again that I want like to point that Macedonia highly respect the cultural heritage of the Jewish people in our country. We remember the victim of the Holocaust with a message to never be repeated. In 2011, the Memorial Center for the Holocaust of the Jewish for Macedonia was opened. And since 2015, we work actively on fully repairing and rehabilitating the Jewish cemetery in Bitola and the construction of Memorial Park. That is something what I want to stress here, especially because that is honest approach from my citizens to the friend citizens of Israel.
Thank you. Please.